Did you know you can actually add custom text to your lock screen, like your name, a short message, or even an emoji, and this works on both iPhone and Android phones? It's not a third-party app or a widget, it's a built-in feature that's already on your phone, but most people never notice it because it's hidden inside focus or mode settings. Once you set it up, the text shows up right on your lock screen whenever the mode is active. Let me show you exactly how to do this step by step. This is how you do it on Android. Go to Settings. This setting is almost the same on most modern Android phones running Android 13 or 14, though the feature may appear under Focus Mode, Bedtime Mode, or Digital Wellbeing, depending on the brand. Samsung calls it Modes and Routines. Click on Add Mode. Select Custom. Now give your mode a name. This is the text that will appear on your lock screen. You can also use emojis here, which is a nice touch. After that, select a color and an icon for the mode. Then tap Done. You will now see the new mode in the list. Tap on it and turn the mode on. Lock your phone and you will see the custom text displayed on the lock screen. You will also notice the mode icon in the status bar showing which mode is currently active. If you want to remove the text, simply go back to Modes, select the same mode and turn it off. You can also access modes quickly from the control center instead of going through settings every time. Now let's do the same thing on iPhone. Go to Settings. Click on Focus. Click the plus icon to create a new focus. Select Custom. Enter a name for the focus. This is the text that will appear on your lock screen. Just like Android, you can use emojis here as well. Choose a color and icon. Then tap Next. Tap Customize Focus to finish creating it. Now go to Control Center, make sure the focus control is added. Long press on focus and enable the custom focus you just created. Lock your phone and you will see the text on the lock screen. You will also notice the mode icon in the status bar showing which mode is currently active. And here's the key difference. On iPhone, this text also appears on the always on display. I wish Samsung had done the same. So yes, both iPhone and Android let you add custom text to your lock screen and both support emojis too. If you like small customizations like this that make your phone feel more personal, hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.